Okay. So before Chaitanya, you haven't created GitHub account till now, right?
Yes, sir. I didn't create.
Okay. Go to Google. Type GitHub. Enter. Click on the first link. Creation is very simple. Go to sign up. Sign up, yes. Give some username. So if the username is already existing, it will say not available. You have to choose existing username. Right. So after permutations and combinations, remember that username Chaitanya.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And email address, give Geetam email. And this is the password for the GitHub, not for your Gmail. Right. So email preferences, uncheck it. Otherwise, you will get a lot of emails to verify. Okay. There were problems creating your account. Why? Check for password cannot include your login. Again, give Geetam ID only.
Sir, what is the difference between Git and GitHub, sir?
Difference between Git and GitHub. Okay. Maybe next class I will let you know.
Okay, sir.
Now go to password again. Is it that checked right? Okay. And also remember your password, whatever, right? Now
Yes,
if everything works, so it will come to welcome to GitHub. So
Cool,
what
sir.
kind? Any college is mentioned?
No, I think, sir.
Software engineer, design, marketing analysis, so much. Okay, is this required? Is it mandatory? Okay, it is up to you. Whatever you want, you keep it.
We can select multiple, sir.
It is up to you. Select this. Mention select up to 3.
Only 3.
Yes, sir. Okay.
So obviously it will go over 5. Right? As n value is 5, it won't execute this one. So it will execute what? And into what?
1 is enough, sir.
Your wish.
What is that? So again, you made a function correct. So again, it will go over 5.
So once you set up, you will receive a link to your registered email for confirmation.
Yes, sir. I got it.
1, right? Yes or no?
Shall I verify?
Right, verify your email address.
One minute. So when it is one, so what have you written? What have you written? What have you written?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Okay, sir.
now you have created an account in the GitHub.
Yes, sir.
Now, in another tab, open REPL. Login into REPL. Right. Login. Do you have account in REPL earlier?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
No. This time don't go for only that. There is an icon, a GitHub icon at the top. Click that. So authorize REPL online ID. So you don't need to have multiple accounts, one for REPL, one for GitHub and all. If you have a GitHub account, you can use the same for REPL also.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Right. Let us do one thing. Type a simple Python script, create a new REPL. On the left hand side, you have one new REPL. Click on that. Select Python.
Create REPL, sir.
Yes.
So PLF gets the base case. PLF gets the base case. It used to call the same function again.
Okay. It is saying loading files. No, just one, right? One print on the left hand side. Main, just print and type something. Okay, that's enough. Execute this. There is a run button at the top. Running. Okay. See whether you can save this. Is there any save option?
It is there download as zip.
No, we want to export this into the GitHub account. Let's see whether any option is there to export this into your GitHub account, this program.
Sir, is there share option, sir?
Sharing is for last time Kranti sir has demonstrated, that is sharing. Now we are not into sharing. Suppose you write some program, big
Version
program.
control is there, sir.
Okay, let us check that version control. Left hand side, click on that. Create a Git. Okay, click on that, create a Git repo. So now you are getting connected to GitHub. Let us check.
It's loading.
So the basic idea is you don't have to do the same thing multiple times. If you do it in REPL, you can export it into GitHub. If you do something in GitHub, you can import that into a REPL. Because later on, we wanted to.
Sir, here connect to GitHub is there, sir.
Click on it. Connect REPL.it to GitHub account. Right, connect it. Install and authorize. Okay, there is something, no? Right, left hand side, initial commit B Chaitanya 2002 less than 1 minute ago. Fine. Now go to your GitHub account. No, leave it as it is. Go to your GitHub account. Maybe connection got disconnected at this end.
I am doing it, sir.
No, there should be a way where in your GitHub account you should see that print hello. This is verification, already verified. Another tab.
So what value you get? 1.
Okay. Scroll up, refresh that once. Refresh this page once.
You get
Mm,
what?
Scroll up, scroll up. Search for that main.py. The program name is main.py. See whether that is there or not. Enter.
Sir, it's searching whole GitHub.
Okay, so again go to that option main, then search only in your, not all GitHub. Okay, okay, fine, fine. Let it be. Maybe later on we can check it. This is the idea.
Okay, sir.
So anything you put it in one place, you can migrate or export or import across this GitHub or REPL. Later on, we will add some more things, features where we can work it out in Python. Okay, so others also can just create GitHub accounts, use the same GitHub account for REPL. So it becomes easy for you as well as for others, for us to manage things. So we can give assignments based on your GitHub accounts and all. Right? You can stop sharing. 11:40 is the time. Others also can create GitHub accounts and find it, check it. After a couple of minutes, I will also demonstrate how assignments can be given in GitHub for today, maybe later on through REPL also. So since unit test 1 will be commencing from next week, we don't want to hurry. We don't want to trouble you. So next week we'll go at a very slower pace with respect to Python.
Sir, regarding that hackathon,
You are in mute, sir.
mute, sir. Mute.
I forgot. I will discuss it after a couple of minutes. Once we complete this GitHub part and how we are planning to continue Python sessions later. If we give some idea, I will come to that coding competition talk.
Okay, sir.
Right. I will share my screen. Right. These are the assignments given to some other section of students. Similarly, when we give assignments to you, your roll number as well as your name will be captured. We can identify who is doing, who is not doing. Say for example, say this person is there. We can go to their GitHub account. We have given a couple of programs. Let me open one program. Okay, so this is the question that was given to them, and some code is will already be given. One has to write, the student has to write the code somewhere here. Rest of the things will be given by the as part of the assignment itself, along with the instruction. So this is a comment: do not touch the below code. So this you will not be doing anything. You will be attempting only in this part. Okay. Now, if you have attempted, done everything, if you submit it back to this, you will be given the marks. So if I again come to this, so this person has completed assignments. The person has scored 50 by 50, 50 by 50. So some other person could not complete. Their score is only 30 by 50. This is auto graded. We only give the assignments. Let me show how the assignment looks like. Where is this test assignment? Yes.
Lego.
I have to search for the repository where I have given the test assignment. Not able to find. Batch hyphen test assignment. Oh, where is it? Where is it? Let me see. Not able to get exactly. Okay, not able to find now. We will show it maybe in next class. Even the searching, fine, okay. So this is the idea. Same is the case with REPL also. REPL also we can go for auto grading, etc. Okay. Right, so that's all from our side. So Monday afternoon, there will be a review of how we are planning to conduct a unit test for our subject. And any doubts from your end, you can ask. Then we can do it.
From now on, are we supposed to submit assignments through GitHub only, sir?
No, we will let you know. It is because we have time today. We don't know what to. If I say if you have any doubts, you can ask me. So no one is asking. So we thought let us utilize this time and give you just how we are planning to go with the Python sessions.
Sir, in Python, can we concatenate both integers and strings, sir?
Yes.
But I'm getting errors, sir. Unless I convert the string int into integer into string, it is showing errors, sir.
Okay, we will we'll see that. Before we go to your solution, I have shared a few things regarding coding context. Now let me complete it and then come back to you.
So one more thing, sir. So how to share our code into GitHub, sir?
First, create your account in
Yes, sir,
GitHub.
create it.
I will tell you maybe in the coming session.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so this is a coding competition organized by one student chapter called as Computer Society of India. We have many student chapters for computer science students. If I go there and check for student chapters. Right, so ACM, ISTE, CSI, IETE, Institution of Engineers, Instrument Society of India, IEEE, Engineers Without Borders, IGBC. Now, each one of them, they will, their purpose is to help students. They organize different events. Each student chapter will be organizing some event or the other. It could be coding competition, it could be any essay writing, something. Okay. So they will be sending it to faculty to help to send this information to the students. This information will also go to students through proper channel. It will come to your email, I suppose, etc. Sometimes students, they miss it, they don't check their emails, or it might not reach because first years there is still confusion regarding email. No, earlier students used to have their registration number @github.in. So it is easy to send emails to them. Now slightly changed. Instead of your registration number, your email is having the first name followed by a couple of digits of your surname. So here and there they miss it. So we send these things. Everything is free of cost. There is no payment involved for attempting this coding competitions or etc. Because it is free of cost, you just each one of you register. Whether you know, don't know, it is let us, you will know bigger problems in a better way. And if you are lucky enough, you may pass the first round. In the second round, they are looking at hacker rank and all. So those in the entire section of 100 students, some of you might already be interested in coding. You might have written some codes. See how you stand in this entire group. And generally, our observation is not many students participate in such competitions. So if you are in the top 20 or 30, it is good. That is itself is one kind of an achievement. Okay. So I thought, since I am also there in first year teaching to some section of students, I have forwarded this. Okay, so it is your interest. If you want to participate, you participate. Otherwise, leave it, no problem. Okay, and since I am not organizing this quiz, so any questions regarding this, you would direct it to the people who are dealing with that. So I am only a facilitator. I forward whatever message that I have received to some section of students.
For this WhatsApp group also is there, sir.
So they organize it. So other than sending it, if any questions regarding this, you put it to that people who are involved in this. So not only CSI, I have mentioned some student chapters, no, in this. All of them will be creating. So if I receive them, I will forward it to the student groups. This is student chapters. In addition to this, there is one more set called as student clubs. There is one more student club. (11:56). Okay, couple of minutes. Student clubs. This is for entertainment purpose. Okay, incubation and internship development, GUSAC, Protract, Kalakriti. I think some of you are, if you are interested in creativity, you can go to G Studio, NCC. I think some of you have already participated in this, NSS, etc. So these are clubs, and those are students. They also organize. So every week, some event or the other takes place in Gitam. Now, because it is online, not much activity. Everything is through Zoom or online competitions. If it is offline, means every week some event or the other takes place in the campus. Okay, so I am stopping my screen share. Now someone has asked whether they can concatenate number and string. Okay, they can. Pradeep, they can share their screen.
I'm using mobile, sir. I cannot share my screen.
Okay. So if you already have a question to ask, if you have any doubt, it is better you connect through the laptop so that we can directly address your problems on your laptop or in your system itself.
I thought so, but there was part.
Okay, no. Later on, next time maybe. Okay. So any questions, doubts from others?
Sir, in Repel, which name we should search for college? There are many in Geetam.
Did it ask? Share your screen once.
I am searching in account profile, sir.
Okay.
Once.
If you share, we'll find out.
Sir, here.
Okay. School or company, right? Okay. Type Geetam. So only right. Okay. Go to the top. Go to the top a little bit. Right. Geetam University Visakhapatnam is there now instead of Bangalore. That is Hyderabad. The next is Bangalore. Somewhere you will find Geetam University Visakhapatnam.
Visakhapatnam here, sir.
Right.
And these also under what I have to choose, I was confused.
No, you can type your own.
Geetam University, Vizag.
Geetam University, right, there is 10. Geetam University, sir. So even if you choose wrong one, for our purpose, it has got nothing to do. Okay, you could not select.
Yes.
So,
As in profile it was there, sir.
right.
To update.
Right. So profile is yours. Scroll down a little bit. Scroll down a little bit. There is my account. Come down. Come down. Right. So only one email. Acha, acha. Fine. Okay. Good. Now I thought we can include multiple emails in that. Fine. Okay. You can stop sharing, Sandeep.
Sir, what about that Coursera, sir? Is it mandatory now, sir? Means I did not get an invitation now.
Once you get invitation, we will tell you what next procedure that has to be followed. We will let you know. So till that time, forget about Coursera. So it's 12. Hurry, already 12 noon. Okay. If you have no questions, you can leave. Otherwise, you can ask.
Sir,
Thank you, sir. Have a
sir,
nice
in
day.
mail I got this one, sir.
Right. Okay.
What is this membership, sir?
We just told no. We have different student chapters.
Yes,
So
sir.
each student chapter will have. You should register for the student chapter. Okay, so this is the registration form.
We should pay for a membership, sir. See here.
For student chapters, we need to pay. For attempting quizzes, etc., organized by the student chapters, it is their wish. You can attempt, but if you want to be a member of a particular student chapter, they will release registration forms like this.
Sir, I shared you the link in the chat box. Check whether it is
Okay.
opening or not.
Just a minute. Did you share it with me?
Yes, sir.
In Zoom chat only?
Yes, sir.
I did not get anything. Jaikant Course Program 1, right? Is that one?
Yes, sir.
Is it a link? If it is a link, means. Let me share it with you what I am getting. Maybe something is missing. Jaikant Course 24 Program 1. If we give directly like this, it will not open.
Okay, sir. I'll just look into it, sir.
So I'm stopping my screen.
I actually can see it on my GitHub.